Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I was able to make $60 in a little over 2 hours using Doordash and UberEats. Now I did try some Walmart Spark. I want you to pay close attention in this video and look at the tips and tricks I show you on how to multi-app and how to really maximize when you're out there. If you find value in this video, leave me with a like and a subscribe. Let's get right to it.
Yes, sir.
We got $5.75 for 2.1 miles. I done had this thing on for probably about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that because I'm about to get some gas. All right, I got that first order done, nice and easy. I like that Hardees order because I didn't realize that the Hardees is a drive-through. They had it ready when I got there, so I kept my wheels rolling. I basically just made that $5, you know, really easily. And I like that because it's not the dollar amount I'm used to getting. But all in all, I can work with that because that $5 didn't cost me. I didn't have to turn the car off. I didn't have to go inside and wait. I didn't have to do no extra nonsense with no apartment buildings or no office buildings or nothing like that. It was easy $5. But the only issue is I didn't made it back over here to the Hardees area where I got this from. I'm actually sitting at Target and I ain't got another order yet. Next up, we got us a little $8 Uber run. This one gonna be at Starbucks. We got $8 for 2 miles. See if they got this thing ready. Look like it might be ready. Almost ready. No, I'm here for a Briley. No, it's all good. Yeah, is it a lot of?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a delivery. Got $5.75 for 3.2 miles. Now I won't be taking that one because I'm actually already down here doing the Uber, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. Dropping off some stuff to the Moon Salon. I swear I've been to this place like 3-4 times. Usually it's for a different person. Got a new customer this time. There you go.
Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day.
You too, thanks.
All right. See what we get next. UberEats coming through with their work. $7 for 1 mile. I do that. All right, we made it to Dairy Queen. Now, since that door locked, we're gonna try the other one. But since I just accepted this one, we're gonna pause Doordash for now and get this Dairy Queen order delivered because it might be ice cream. How you doing? I gotta go grab my phone. I forgot the name again. Yeah, man. I should have just brung it in. I just looked at the name and then I forgot it that fast. That's funny. Alrighty, go ahead, grab that. Now I remember the name because I got my phone. Look at all that ice cream. That look good. All right, got the UberEats order dropped off. So surprisingly, even though I had a schedule on the Doordash shift, you know, I scheduled myself from 10:30 to 1 or something like that. I only received one offer that was worth my time, you know, on Doordash. So that's the importance of multi-apping right there. Make sure you can stay busy even when you think you good and you can, you know, just do one app. I still make sure I had a backup plan so I can keep my wheels rolling. First hour down, I got $5.75 on Doordash and I did 2 UberEats orders, totaling $15 altogether. So we got a $20 hour. I believe I got a Walmart Spark order. Yeah, I got a Walmart Spark order. Let's see if it's time to go snatch that up. It is though. This Walmart Spark order came in at 17 bucks for 6 miles. So we're gonna head on over to Glen Carbon Walmart, pick this one up, and if I can get another food delivery order in conjunction with my Walmart Spark order, I'm gonna maximize because look, this is what you gotta realize. Hour number 2, I'm trying to make at least 25 or 30 this hour so I can have $50 for my first 2 hours. Let's get it done. I got 10 more minutes until it's time for my Walmart Spark order to be picked up, but it ain't gonna be ready when I get there. Even though that's the pickup time, they ain't gonna have it right out there when I get there. I got a Taco Bell order right here, $8.89, 4 miles. I like the cash flow. I like the miles to money ratio. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna head on over to Walmart. That way, I can keep my wheels rolling, and it's more likely for that order to be ready when I get there if I go ahead and knock out this Taco Bell first. We got a Wingstop add-on. See, this is what I needed right here. So now with this $8 Taco Bell, $6 add-on, that's a hidden tip indicator, and with my $17 Walmart Spark order I got, that's gonna be a profitable hour. So I want to get all of this done before 12:33. On my way to my first delivery, they sent me an add-on, an additional $6 for Sonics. So now this is a $20 hour with just Doordash. Oh, it's a leave at door. Didn't see that. But we got $7.02 for 2 miles at Chipotle. I'll take that one too. Chipotle is a drive-through. I like them drive-throughs because it, you know, keeps them wheels rolling. It cuts down that stopping time and that time you take going in to get the order. It just makes it so much easier. So I can take that $7 2 miles and I'm waiting on this Walmart Spark. That's how you make your money right there. We heading to Fresh Set. Got $9.50 for 5.9 miles. I like that. We're gonna go ahead and knock that out. When you out there multi-apping and maximizing, it's important that you're able to switch gears at the drop of a dime. Walmart Spark was taking too long, and I made a lot of money last week with Walmart Spark, probably like $400. But look, they was taking too long, so guess what? I unassigned the Walmart Spark, I did a Uber, and now I'm on my way to do a Doordash order. And those two orders, the Uber and the Doordash, they paying me more than the Walmart Spark was with less mileage, and they ready when I get there. So for me, it makes more sense to go ahead and knock out these and keeps my wheels rolling instead of waiting at Walmart. And it ain't the employee's fault. You know, it's a little busy at Walmart. They not bringing the orders out as fast, and that's okay. But that's why you multi-app, so that you can do what's best for you and make your money. $9.50 what was shown, $11.25 what it went up to. So DoorDash hit some tips on that one. Nice. We are at the 2-hour mark. Actually, it's like the 2-hour 15-minute mark. And let's see, we got $15 on Uber and $38.89 on DoorDash. Almost $39. So say 40 bucks and 15, that's what, 55 bucks, but it's actually 39. So it's $54 in 2 hours, 2 hours and 10 minutes. Not bad. 38 of it is with DoorDash, so you can say that that's still a decent hourly rate with DoorDash, but I like to do better, so that's why I multi-app. Now I'm gonna see if I can get another order, but if not, that's cool too though, because with that I'm able to fill my gas tank up. I'm able to go grab me a couple things and get my, you know, maybe take a little break and get myself in prime position to come back out and make some more money this evening. Now I could go all day, but I got things to do. I edit videos, you know, I make content, I make my money doing this. I got a couple projects to work on. Use the apps to your advantage. Maximize when you out there for the time that you out there. Today I was out for 2 hours and I maximized. Made 55 bucks. Let's get it. I'll catch you in the next one. Leave me with a like and with a subscribe, and I appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, hey, try out this one. YouTube think it's the one you should watch, so you might as well go ahead and hook it up.